Okay, so today's video is covering the sports aerial for the Mini F56, and this is actually from Mini, so it's a genuine product, and it fits the whole entire range from all the way back to the year 2000, from what I understand, all the way up to the newest Mini F56. So what we're going to do today is unbox this, so let's get it open and see what it looks like. So I haven't had one of these on one of my Minis for a few years now, so it'd be interesting to see what the quality of the product's like and then get it fitted to the car. Right, so let's open that up. Okay, and you can see in the box there you've got a little adapter so that can fit the different generations, from what I understand. And then you've got the aerial itself, so let's get that out. That's just held in with a couple of cable ties. So from what I understand, because this is a genuine product, you shouldn't see any drop in your radio signal, etc. So all that should be absolutely fine. So it's not like you're going for an aftermarket one and you don't know what you're getting. Obviously, with this being made specifically for the Mini wouldn't put their name behind it if it didn't have an adverse, if it did have an adverse effect on the signal, etc. So you can see that's the setup there. So you've already got a smaller screw there. It looks like a slightly larger, so I'm assuming the different years utilise the different thickness there. So what we'll do, we'll take this out to the car and we'll try to fit this on the F56 and see which one you need, the one that's pre-installed or the one that you have to switch off. And by the looks of it, all you'd need to do is get a flathead screwdriver in there and undo that, and I'm assuming it's reverse threaded potentially, so that when you're screwing it into the car you don't accidentally unscrew this. So what we'll do, we'll take it out to the car now and get it fitted. Okay, so time for the install process now. So to remove the stock one, it's as simple as twisting that off. That comes off really easily. You can see that's the thread, just like we've got on our one that we're ready to fit. Okay, a bit of a size comparison. You can see there's a significant difference. So visually that'll have a bigger impact because it'll be a lot smaller and look a lot tidier and neater on the car. Okay, so the install process couldn't be any simpler. It's literally a case of putting that straight onto the car and locking it in place. That's it, fully installed and ready to go. If we bring the camera out slightly. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for future content. We've got more coming. We've got a new exhaust, a downpipe, coilovers, lots of bits coming for this car. There'll be lots of how-to videos in the next couple of months. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.